to my channel. Today we're going to have kielbasa and cabbage soup. So let's get started. So we're going to cover the bottom of the pan with olive oil. Get it good and hot because we're going to brown our kielbasa. Okay, the oil's nice and hot. Now we're going to brown our kielbasa. Okay, our kielbasa is browning. It's about 5 minutes to get it all brown. And as soon as we get this brown, then we're going to add cabbage, which is just you can buy the coleslaw at the store. It's just a bag of coleslaw cabbage. We're going to dump that right in there as soon as the kielbasa is ready. And it's brown. Starting to smell good. Okay, these seem pretty brown to me. Now I'm going to put this was a whole bag of cabbage mix. I'm going to put that in there. I'm pretty much going to sweat out the cabbage. The flavor of the sausage gets on the cabbage. That looks good already. That looks beautiful. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Sweet and salted. I think that look good. So now I'm going to add a 12-ounce bottle of beer. Any kind you want, can of beer, bottle of beer. I'll mix that up. You're going to bring this all to a boil. Okay. I'm going to bring a cup of water. A 32-ounce beef broth. After this is on here, we're going to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to put a cup of fried French onions. Okay, so all we have to do now, season it, put some pepper. In there. We're gonna bring this to a boil and we're gonna let it simmer for like 10 minutes. Boiling. So now we're going to turn it down to a simmer. I'm going to let it simmer on low for 10 minutes. This is a nice quick soup. Came home from work and you're starving. Throw this together within minutes and 10 minutes later it's ready. crust here. Turn it down a little bit. Okay, it's time to serve it up. Oh, does that look good? Mmm. Oh my gosh, it looks delicious. Put on some French onion soup and top it with some